All right, guys, it's Dave Bennett. It's March 11th, 2015. Wow. All right, there is a Theme2HTML version 1.13 out. It's cool. We did it for a different kind of function. Let me just show you what it does. It allows this. This is something we've been kind of discussing. Um, but anyway, we decided to do it. So I'm on the 1.12 right now, and this is the back end, Theme2HTML, right? And pay attention to the blue bar on this side. So far, there's nothing after I have my particular options here. So let me hit this. Okay, that is the update right here. So I'm going to install the update. And it's installed. That was all it took. Now guess what? We have the Google Translate option here. You can select a language. And when you select it, you're talking about translating the entire back end here. Okay, look at that. Boom. Okay, that means dashboard, right? Armaturenbrett, Armaturenbrett, Seiten, globale Einstellungen, Moduleinstellungen, Side admin is side admin, Projekt exportieren, you know. And so then all of these things basically, with few exceptions, some things just stay the same anyway, oh well, but they're changing, okay? And here's the coolest thing. When I hover over any one of these, look on the right-hand side of the screen, right? All of this has been also translated. Now, that means if I highlight over a particular function, there it is. There's a translation. Guess what? That goes far. If I go into the actual pages, it's translating elements of the pages. And so if I were to take a look at some page, first of all, look at that. The menus are staying the same in terms of the actual HTMLs, which is perfect, you know. But the actual page menus have changed. So we can look up what they are. And when we flip and take a look at that. So it's the thing I want to point out, it's translated about everything. It's translated this. It's translating the individual titles for what goes inside each field. You see how incredibly important that is, right? Because if you could not read this, you would not know what to put in here. Okay, it's translating everything. The version number. Okay, Abmelden means help. Okay, look at that. It even translated the button for help and support, and also global variables. Okay, if you take a look at that. And it translated everything on the page, you know. Just how cool is that? It's translating what the module names are. It's translating, oh, no, it's not. Yeah, some things it won't touch. It's not getting, it is getting this, okay, and then these it leaves alone because it's just normal. But it's not translating these. So some things it will not, but then that's fine. That should be in English, maybe. It should be exactly what you're saying. All right, this could be in English, you know, but at least you can read it. If we take a look at some of the features here, I don't care what it is, you know. Let's say website logo. It's telling you that's what it is. Logo hochladen, okay? Upload the logo. If you look at some other features, it's going to have them. Code snippets before the end body tag. Here, that's what it is, but there you go. Okay, reference name is just reference name. That's fine. And it tells you what to do with it. So the entire backend, section for section, has been translated. And again, it's telling you what the translation should be. And this is important to be able to read, right? I don't know if it's even translating those, the individual help topics here. Now, the coolest thing is we're talking about complete and utter control and help. How does restore, backup and restore work? It tells you in German. How do things work? It tells you in German. Now, this is the back end. This is not affecting the front end, all right? But it is affecting the back end. And this goes pretty far. There's Russian. Now, no one's saying that these are exact translations. I mean, people who are reading through this are going to realize the translations aren't exact, okay? But it's very expensive to create different language variations. You really have to get people to sit down and create those versions. But this will work in various languages: Persian, Arabic, even Yiddish, Swedish, Thai, whatever you want for the versions is actually functioning back here. And that's all of the details, you see. So it's covering everything in the back. So I think you'll find this quite interesting. And again, all you had to do was log in and hit the update button to make that update possible. To get back to English, just either flip to English or show original in the top bar. When it pops this bar up, you'd show original. And of course, you can close the tab out. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. The next topic is going to be how to use this sort of code snippet for the front end so that when you create websites, if you would like to give this option on the front end of your website for your visitors, then you can do that as well. And that way your visitors can read your web pages regardless of the language, as long as they can read any of these languages, which pretty much covers everyone in the industrial world. Then they're going to have a shot at understanding what your pages say. So you're opening yourself up a lot more widely in the world with your offers. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this.